Attach the brake cable to the position shown in the video. Rotate and align the 3 notches on the brake handle. Slip one end of the brake wire into the gap under the brake handle. Attach the other end of the brake cable to the notch. When the length of the brake line is insufficient, you can pinch the brake to extend it. When the brake is too tight or too loose, try loosening the screws to adjust the tightness of the brake line, and adjust the position of the gripper for the best braking effect. Determine the left and right of the pedal. The one with A written on is the right pedal and the one with L written on is the left pedal. Insert the pedal into the hole on the crank, and rotate the pedal toward the front end. Then use a wrench to tighten both side screws.